Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your town in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to change your town, you need to open up your setting. You can go to the watch first and then you're going to select settings. Okay, and this is my current town and this is the town ID. If you want to change your town or move to another town, you can select return to login. Okay, return to the login page, and then you're going to select another town in Heartopia. Okay, wait, it's still loading. Okay, and you're going to click on this icon. You can join your friend's town if they're online, or you can go to all towns and you can select the town that you want to visit. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to select this one, this town. Click on go, and then you will move to another town in Heartopia. Okay guys, and that's how you can change town in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.